everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to show you around my accommodation in Forenom Apartel with kitchenette. This is the hallway. And there's a code. Please come in. It has 2 beds. Very nice view from my room. It's sunny day. Tables and chairs, lampshade. It's actually a very small room, good for at least 2 person. Kitchenette. My rent here is 440 euros per month. It has electric stove, microwave. Chinawares. Also provided by the Forenom Apartel. Mini ref. Not really bad. It's actually a complete amenities. This is the restroom. It has heater. Okay, and now I'm going to show you going to the laundry. Pesula, or the laundry room. I guess this is really practical because especially if you're alone, just like me, I don't need to buy stuff like washing machine, ref, TV, because Forenom Apartel has complete amenities and facilities.